Today we have got a very interesting question, and the question says find the value of 3 minus 1 plus 5 root 2 plus 7 root 3 by 2 plus 14 root 3 plus 10 root 2. This is our question, a very easy question, but if you look at this question properly, it seems a little difficult. Let's try and solve this and see how it can be done. First of all, let's keep this 3 as it is, no need to change, and I am keeping the numerator same. There is no point of changing the numerator whatsoever, so I am keeping the numerator as it is. Now, if you look at the denominator, properly, you have 2 plus 14 root 3 plus 10 root 2. Now, as you can see, all the three numbers are completely divisible by 2. All the three numbers are completely divisible by 2. So, if we take 2 common, what do we get? From 2 we have taken common 2, so 1 plus. From 14 we have taken common 2, so 7 and root 3 will be as it is, plus from 10 we have taken 2 common, so 5 and root 2 as it is. So this is what we get after taking common. Let's move on to the next line. 3 minus, I am not changing the numerator. Let's keep the numerator as it is. Now put 2 as it is. Now, if we arrange this term, can we write it like this? 1 plus 5 root 2, I am bringing in the second part, and plus 7 root 3 at the back. I am just putting this 5 root 2 in the second place, and I am putting this 7 root 3 in the third place. This is what we are changing. Rest of the part is all same. Now you can see that the numerator and the denominator is completely same. Now I guess you all understand why we have changed the format. So this and this will get cancelled. So what do we left? We are left with 3 minus, everything is gone, so 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 2. Now it's very easy. 3 into 2, that is 6 minus 1 by 2. So 5 by 2. Now if you convert it into mixed fraction, we get 2 1 by 2, and this is our final answer. Done.